Good morning. Welcome to Change Pace Poetry number 34. I'm Leland Jamieson. This morning I'll read 3 poems, one couplet form and the other 2 will be in rhyme royal. The first is called Siren's Cry. It was occasioned by events that took place in Hartford, Connecticut. The siren's cry across the frozen brook recalls the harshest ride we ever took. Strapped to a stretcher, I was perched awry. You first implored me, "Son, just let me die." I would have satisfied you if I could. Your home in Florida I'd closed for good. Flown back, your withered arm on mine. This you? Arranged for you a room with a mountain view, and shopped and bought a TV you'd accept. Once home, so tired, so sad, I wept and wept. Your home back in the land, no longer there. My own, unsuited to your nursing care. St. Mary home, no home, a room, a bed, more like a warehouse full of wailing dead. Your lips confessed your love, your eyes remorse. I could not bear the awful weight, the force your eyes poured out on me at your goodbye. As I went home, ears ringing with your sigh. I love you, it was hard to tell you so, against your eyes rip-tide and undertow. The next poem is a little happier. It took place, or the occasions that gave rise to it, in East Hampton, Connecticut. It's from my wife. "Quick, hurry," you whisper. A red mustache, a brilliant hue, just like his swept-back crest. A pileated pounds on our dead ash and hollows out a hole as big as his vest. He's routed carpenter ants, and he's hard-pressed to swallow them but for a backward toss of head that scoffs them down like applesauce. With sweeping wing beats bigger than a crow's, revealing bright white undersides, he flies away, kick-kick-kick, leaves us on our toes beside the window, no time for goodbyes. A sight for sore eyes, I say, what a prize. Oh, look, you say, he's back. And look, quick, see? He's brought his mate. Black forehead, it's a she. A second pileated, no mustache. She clings much higher in a rotted birch, shucks off its wasted bark as though mere trash. The bug-filled tree repays her for her search. Both flapping off, they give my heart a lurch. You say, I hope they nest with us, or near. I think they like our bug bark atmosphere. And the third poem is quite short, another rhyme royal. This also more light-hearted. My grandkids scuff the rug for pin-prick volts. Of lightning they can finger zap on skin, then giggle when I'm jolted by their volts. These quanta of non-local origin convey a metaphysical within, illumine mirth in everything absurd, electrify the heart of this old bird. I'm always unprepared. Want to invite you to jamiesonspoetry.com, where you'll find the text of these poems appearing underneath the video, and of course a full archive of videos. I think it's helpful to read as you listen, because pronunciation is not always entirely accurate. So I invite you to visit the website, and I hope you have a great 4th of July, those of you who celebrate it. Many thanks. See you next week.